listen for the click, folks. When I'm parking in, like, or driving in a parking lot or backing into a parking spot, and I'm driving slow and I turn the wheel, usually all the way when it's like full lock, sometimes halfway though, I get a click click and sometimes a click click pop kind of noise. It hasn't affected the way it drives or anything, but yeah, I'm not sure what it is. Have a listen and let me know. Coming from the front?
I think. Can I stop it and just listen now?
I've looked underneath and everything looks good, but I'm thinking it's tie rod. I'm pretty sure because the links, they seem fine. Everything's tight. No bushings are rotted or anything. Everything's fine. So I'm thinking it's tie rods. But let me know if you know something different, or if the same thing's happening with your Miata. Let me know, because I don't really want to take it in to the mechanic and pay the diagnostic fee, right? Rather just take it to them and be like, fix this, or maybe I can fix it myself. I was hoping it might be like an end link, but so I've replaced those. They're real simple, but I think it's gonna be tie rod. But yeah, I think tie rods are pretty easy to replace too. But yeah, let me know what you guys think it is.